Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you how you can get this free RDP, is absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything. As you can see, I'm connecting to my RDP. Okay, so I just connected already. I am going to give it a little while for it to load. So this is the RDP. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to tell you exactly how you can get this RDP. I'm going to walk you step by step. So you can get this RDP absolutely free like I said earlier. Subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Watch this video to the very end, and don't skip any parts. So you're not going to miss a single step on how you can get these free RDP running on your computer. Alright, so go ahead and click on the browser. Now on the browser, you're just going to type aws.amazon.com. So click on it, and let's give it a moment. It should load. Okay, I think is loading. So, let's just wait for it. Okay, now we are there. Now just click on Get Started for free. So we are going to input your email. And we are going to also add the AWS account's name. So I'm going to go ahead by inputting my own email address. So you should also do the same by putting your own email address too. Okay, so the AWS account name. You can just put any name that you want to name this your AWS account. So in my case, I'm just going to give it something I want. Going to name it Forex. What should I name it? Forex Zone. I think Forex Zone is okay. So just go ahead by verifying your mail. Digit numbers should be sent to you in your email. So I'm just going to go to my mail to check for the code. Now, this is the code. I'm just going to highlight it and copy it. So I'll go back to my Amazon and paste the code there. So I'll verify that. So when you verify, you're going to be asked to include your password. So in your password, you need to include the uppercase, lowercase number, and an alphanumeric symbol. Go ahead and confirm that password and continue to the next step. I'll just save my password. Now at this stage, all you have to do is click Add Personnel because you're using it for personnel work. So your first name, include it. Your mobile number, includes it. Your country, your phone, your address, your city, your state, and your postal code. So go ahead and fill in all the details. And agree to the terms and conditions and continue to the next step. So I'm just going to do my own very fast. And I'm going to proceed to the next step also. Okay, now I've done that. So in this step, all you have to do is to put your card details. So go ahead, fill in your card details. And let's proceed to the next step. Now in this step, you're including your country or region code. And the next one is going to be your mobile number. So once you put your country code, you have to include your mobile number. And there's going to be a security check. So you have to go ahead to do that. So go ahead and include my country and my mobile number. So I'm going to go ahead and include my security check. So I think is the letter Q or G. Guess is it's G, to just put the letter G and try if it is going to work. So this is T, C3, R, so I'll go ahead and send it. OK is OK. Now a code will be sent to your mobile number. So just go ahead and copy that code and paste it or write them down. Include those numbers to verify it's your number. So now, that is the next thing to do. Now that we are done with the registration, we are going to click on the basic support. This one is free. Just go ahead and complete the sign up. Now that we are through, we are going to go to the AWS Management Console. So sign in to our account. Okay, I'm just going to include my email. Also, input the password which I created during the sign up. Okay, now I'm going to sign in. It's loading, let's give it a little while. Still loading. Okay, now I'm just going to scroll down. Now this launch a virtual machine, I'm going to click on it. So it's loading also. Okay, still loading. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to look for the OS operating system. In my case, I'm using a Windows operating system. So that's what I'm going to click on. Now look for the AWS machine. I'm going to look for the one with a free tier eligible. I'm going to go for Microsoft Windows Server 2016 base. Just go ahead by clicking on it. I think this is the one I need. I'll go ahead by clicking on that. Okay, let's scroll down. On this key pair, I'm going to go create a new key pair. I'm just going to name it anything I want. I'll name it Forex since that is what I will be using it for. I'm going to create a pair. As you can see, is downloaded already. I'm going to go to that later. So for now I'm going to go down. I'm going to allow HTTP traffic from the internet. I'm just going to scroll down. Okay, I think that is all to do. I'm going to click on the launch instance. So it's loading. So we're going to give it a little while for it to load. So I think we are done. Okay, now we are done. What I am going to do here, I'm just going to move to the EC_2 dashboard. Okay, so it's still loading. Now over here, what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to click on the instances running. So now I'm back to the place where I was before. Okay, I'm going to click on the box. So when I click on it, it's going to bring down some details for me. So I'm going to do now is to click on the connect. Now that I have connected to it, it's going to take me over here. Now, on this side of it, I'm going to go to the RDP client. So I'm just going to get my password. Now from here, I download a file while creating the pairing key. I'm going to click on the browse button. I will move to my download where I save the file. I'm just going to open it. Okay, so I'm going to decrypt the password. So that is what I'm going to do next here. I'm going to click on decrypt password. And as you can see it has to decrypt the password. So I'm going to go ahead by copying my username, the password, and the public DNC. The password is the most important thing which I needed. I will just go ahead for keeping them all. Should in case I need them. Alright, I'm going to open a notepad. My notepad, I'm going to copy the admin. I'm going to copy the password. I'm just going to paste it on my notepad. Okay, so I think we are getting there. So I will just copy the public DNC. Also, as I said, the most important thing I need is a password. So I'll just copy 3 of them. So I have to go ahead by downloading the remote server, which I'm going to use. So once you download your remote server, just opened it. And all you're going to do next is include your password. So once you download it or you click on the remote server you're to connect. So I'm going to take you to this place, you click on the yes button too. Now you can see the remote server is loading. Now is going to take you to a place where you're going to include your password. So just go ahead by putting the password here. I've done that before. That's why it's just loaded direct. Once includes your password is going to take you to this interface. Now we have our RDP ready for us. Now we can do whatever we want to do. As you can see, I already have an MT4 TickMill account on it. So I'm going to run a Forex bot using these accounts on my VPS or RDP. So, if you find this video useful, remember to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching this video to the end.